Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into an exciting topic, transforming your apartment balcony into a stunning oasis. Whether you have a tiny space or a larger one, we've got plenty of ideas to inspire you. Let's get started. First things first, let's talk about the potential your balcony holds. It's more than just an outdoor space, it's an extension of your living area. With a little creativity and planning, you can turn it into a cozy retreat, a garden paradise, or even a stylish entertainment zone. Here are some fantastic ideas to get you started. Creating a cozy retreat on your balcony is all about comfort and relaxation. Start with seating. If your balcony is small, consider folding chairs or a compact bistro set. For larger balconies, outdoor sofas or loungers work wonders. Add cushions and throw blankets to make it inviting. Lighting plays a crucial role in setting the mood. Fairy lights, lanterns, or even a small outdoor lamp can create a warm and cozy atmosphere for those evening relaxation sessions. Lighting is again important here. String lights or lanterns can create a festive vibe. For a touch of elegance, use candle lanterns or solar-powered garden lights. Don't forget about flooring. Outdoor rugs can make a huge difference, adding both comfort and style. Choose weather-resistant materials that can withstand the elements. For those of you who love gardening, turning your balcony into a garden paradise is a fantastic idea. Start with containers. Choose pots of various sizes and shapes to add visual interest. Vertical gardens or wall planters are perfect for maximizing space. Herbs, flowers, and even small vegetables can thrive on your balcony. Think about what you love and what will grow well in your climate. Mixing different types of plants can create a lush and vibrant garden. Watering can be a challenge in small spaces. Self-watering planters or a simple drip irrigation system can make it easier. Also, Consider adding a small compost bin for a sustainable touch. Incorporate some garden decor like wind chimes, garden gnomes, or bird feeders to enhance the ambiance. A small water feature, like a fountain, can add a soothing element with the sound of trickling water. If you love hosting friends and family, why not turn your balcony into an entertainment zone? Start with seating that can accommodate multiple guests. Foldable chairs, benches with storage, or even outdoor sectionals are great options. Don't forget about climate control. A small portable fan or heater can make your balcony comfortable year-round. And for those summer days, a shade umbrella or a retractable awning can provide much-needed relief from the sun. Heck the weight limits of your balcony, especially if you're adding heavy furniture or a lot of plants. Safety first. Also, be mindful of your neighbors. Keep noise levels reasonable and avoid blocking any shared views. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more home decor tips and ideas. Thanks for watching, and happy decorating.